Welcome. We're back. Now, good morning, Satoshi, or oh yeah, afternoon for me, or good morning to many of you. Lorenzo, welcome. No, I'm not the king. This was just a funny sound from a cartoon. Anyway, a bit of a trumpet, you know, to get ourselves on track. Would you look at that? What happened? Would you look at that? Now we were talking about this level during London. We were talking about these levels during London. And what just happened? Huh. Boom. Awesome. All these levels have been taken out. So I feel a bit of a FOMO because this move here was pretty fast. Crazy pump, yeah. I was the plan for me, at least in the New York AM session, was to target one of these if it starts to go higher. But the move is done. So where can we go from here? I have no idea. On the 1 hour, I don't see anything that I like. There is a January 7 candle here from the New York AM session. Let's check it out. So January 7. Let's try to go there. Maybe I'm not even having the data for that day for my subscription and trading view. January 7. Here we are. January 7. Market open was here. Oh, yes. That's the target. That's the target, man. That's where we're going. That could be the place where we're going now. Yeah, this is where we're going. 792. Can it go up there? First fair value gap started here. That's gonna be a long shot. All right, let's extend it to the right. Extend it to the left. Extend it to the right. Okay. Yeah. That's it. And the top of that, right there, the open of this candle, 791.75 on the micro. That's it. That's where we're going. Man. I wasn't sure, but now I'm sure. That's where we're going. Okay. That's it. 21,791 would be the final target, depending on how we're gonna open. Look at that. That is where we're gonna go. I can almost feel it. That's where we're going. Man, I should have seen this. Anyway, let's get ready to open some positions. Oh man, this is gonna be a fun ride. All right, let's turn on the copy traders. All right, let's do this. It's gonna be fun. Are you guys up to the ride? This is gonna be fun. This is gonna be super fun. Jesus Christ, that's where we're going. I can't believe that. 1 micro there. Okay. All right. I can't believe it, but that's where we're going. No, don't worry. I'm not sure if we're going there. Obviously, have to wait for a possible. I entered the long position with 1 micro just to test it. One single micro, nothing fancy. I'm targeting low hanging fruit would be 773. 707 would be actually my target. Market is about to open. The risk to reward ratio is definitely not good. Well, let's see. 20 seconds. Small long position. If I'm gonna get taken out, so be it. Here we are. This is it. This is it. Very small position. I'm looking for a nice short if it tries to turn around. Here's the market open. Uh-oh, dumping lower. Not good. Almost out of my position. No problem. No problem there. Maybe he's gonna sweep the lows at 584, which is cool. Which is perfectly fine. Do we have some news here? Maybe happening? Not really sure. Almost out. No problem. Yeah, I'm out. Okay. I'm just curious if there's gonna be a turnaround here. You know, just to make sure. This was the open. Swept the lows. Let's look at the 5-minute here. Nice. Nice little pullback. Actually, that was needed. Now I think I'm gonna wait for a structure shift to try again. And this one is not a structure shift on the one. That was not a structure shift. $791 could be a good target, maybe. Picking up liquidity here, also from the 5-minute below there. I'm still gonna stay bullish. But let's wait for a proper drop here. No shift on the 1 minute. These levels are not important anymore. I'll try a fib tool, maybe. Not sure. Okay, bullish order block here that could be swept on the 1 minute. Otherwise, nothing that interests me. There's a flat candle at 500 on the 5-minute. Look bearish, but it looks like a structure shift. Yeah, could be. Yeah, I agree, Kenny. Yeah. I think it can happen. I tried a small long with 1 micro, got stopped out. This is where I think would be a logical target for price, but first we might have to wait for sweeping this low at 42. I think it wants to take that. maybe. Not sure. But I have a feeling there's a flat candle on the 1 minute also at, what's the level, 49 maybe? I think it's at 49. Not sure. Small bullish order block there. I'm not sure if it wants to sweep that. Okay, just did. I scalped the short here, made back the previous loss. But I don't see anything. Gonna have to wait for a proper move. I like the idea that we should go higher. I really like the idea. There's still no first gap presented here, but still, you know, this one got inverted. I'm definitely bullish. Okay. It still didn't sweep the 542. It still didn't go there. I'm not sold on the idea on the shorts yet. I like to think there are some good targets, but let's look at the 15 minute. If I put the swing, sorry, the Fibonacci tool here, 50% area would be down here. Okay, I'm gonna put a marker right there. That would be the 50% level. And also a fair value gap on the 15 minute. Yeah, careful with the long positions until we don't see some kind of a structure building up here. I was risking it, but as I said, only, and you guys see it with 1 micro, and then I scalped this order block down here. Mr. Chopsticks. Good luck today to you too. Yeah. No tilt today. No tilt. Just gotta stay put. Take small positions. Even if I will go into some trade, I'll try to go with the smallest I can. Like, it's Friday, so just 1 or 2 micros here and there. That's it. I wish the best to you too. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? Okay. Still waiting. I told you guys we have a flat candle down at 502. I have no positions on yet. Not even looking for a scalp here. 502. Careful. Be very careful. How much are the commissions on trade weight per trade? Well, I have no idea about trade weight. I don't even know how much is it on Rhythmic. I mean, I think it's on a full mini, it's about $5 a round. So in and out, round trip is $5. The micros are more expensive. Like for one micro, it's like $2 or something like that, or $22.50. So it's quite expensive to go with micros, but extremely expensive, I should say. But something like that, it should be around 5. I'm not sure about exactly the amount. Yeah, we got rejected on a huge amount of MTF. MTF. I'm sorry. Which one is? What is the MTF? I'm sorry. I forgot. We've taken our previous day high. I'm still looking for longs. I'm gonna wait. $2 per trade fixed. Yes, mostly on the micros. Yeah, I think it's $2 or 1.75. Geez, I really I should know it, but I think it's on their website. If you go for trade weight fees on their website, they should be having a an exact number, but something like that on the micro. The mini is 5. But if you look at the big picture, the micro is actually more expensive, you know. Maybe 1.75 or $2. I don't know. It has to be somewhere in that area. All right. Also, there is still no first fair value gap happening. No, it's not per point. So you enter the trade, and the commission is already, you know, taken down from your balance. That's it. It's not per point. You were asking the commission, right? Yeah. So as soon as you enter, the commission has already been deducted from your balance. So it's not per point. It's just one time, depending on the contract size, you know, per contract, not per point, per contract. So if you enter with 10 micros, that's 10 times $2. So it could be 20 or $17, something like that. So very expensive to go with micros, actually. Yeah, it's not too bad, but still, you know, if we look at the range, it's you know, so if you want to go with like 20 micros, it's cheaper to go with 2 minis because that's gonna be $10. But if you go with 20 micros, you're gonna have to pay like $30 or 40, whatever, a lot. So the commission is way more on the micros. Still heading down. Should be taking that flat candle. I'm no expert on this, but and I'm not gonna jump in for a scalp, but well, charts is awful. I haven't tried it. 21,391. Yeah, why not? We're almost at the 50% retracement level down there. Look at that. Did we take out the low? Almost. There you go. Flat candle taken out. Flat candle taken out. Okay, so some of you guys, if someone took it, that was a possible scalp to the flat candle. The 50% level is at 494. Just be careful. Retracing from 200 SMA on the 4 hour. Oh, I haven't even checked that. I don't have the SMAs on, but now that we're at the golden level, it's the so-called golden level, anything is possible. Also, there is still no fair value gap happening on the 1 minute since the open. So liquidity has been partially swept. I wonder if the bullish momentum is going to keep on going. How far are we from the top? 200, almost 300 points. It could be still bullish. I know institutions. Yeah, I know institutions are watching the 200 very much. Yeah. It's pretty much a very popular institutional moving average. Just like the VWAP. 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 Where's the VWAP? VWAP. Here's the VWAP. I'm not really watching the VWAP because it confuses me. All I see is that we have a beautiful order block up there, ready to be taken. Okay, first fair value gap presented here since the open. I mean, we have to wait for the close of this candle, but it pretty much seems like that this is going to be our winner. 40 seconds still. Whop. Cool whip. Cool whip. All right, 20 seconds. I think this is gonna be the first gap. Pretty much seems like it. All right, first fair value gap has been presented here. Enter the small long position with 1 micro again. I'm not looking for anything special here. There's another fair value gap up here, which can be a low-hanging fruit. Let's see it. It's pretty dangerous still. You know, we just at the 50% level. Gotta be very, very, very patient here. And we have the macro in about 2 minutes, less than 2 minutes. So, MB Trader, welcome. 1.3k times 5. Jesus. Satoshi is the one. He's the winner of the day, I think. Satoshi for the win. Okay, so I'm just, you know, trying this with 1 single micro. Let's just see what's it gonna be. It could be a huge sell-off, so, you know. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, this one can happen. This can happen to anyone. Yeah, I'm long, but it's a very, very risky position. Very risky. So I'm only risking with one micro. Nothing serious. So, you know, I'm not trying not to go overboard with anything or save myself from full tilt. So one micro is good for me. And I'm just looking for a short-term target right now, and then we will see what's it gonna be. If I would have entered the 2 micro, maybe I would have taken partial at 609. Let me actually modify it. We are in the macro. The first gap can also inverse the whole move. I mean, not inverse, but continue down is what I meant to say. It can also be a confirmation that we're going down from here. I don't like this. It's kind of weak. It's kind of weak. Yeah. Yeah. Unfortunately. Let's look at what's happening here. Yeah, lots of space on the 15 minutes still. 61.88 would be the optimal trade entry if we're searching for longs. So this is by far not optimal. I thought that the macro is gonna swing it back up there. That was the plan. That was the plan, to swing it back. If we would trade above 88, I would reduce my risk. Actually, what's the high there? The high is 87. So even 87 would do it, I think. Let's go. So the reason is that we still have some very, very good targets on the upside. A beautiful order block at 21,791. It's way up there, I know. Oh man, it doesn't look good. It looks like a bear flag. Looks like it's gonna take the elevator any second. But it's alright. Yeah. I might close it manually. It's ready to drop down like a rock. Mm-mm-mm. It's sad. Sad situation. Less than 5 minutes until 10 a.m. I don't know what could be the issue here. Not moving so much. McLovin is long too. I hope you're not long because I went long because I have no idea what I'm doing. Just saying, I have no freaking idea what's happening here. I'm just pushing the buttons randomly. So I tossed the coin and I thought, why not? I mean, I still did not lose all the hope on this one, but long biased from 5K tick data. Oh, I see. Okay, long from 515. Nice, that's a good entry there. That's a good entry. Less than 3 minutes to go. NQ is unplugged or what? 2 minutes until 10 a.m. What's gonna happen in the silver hour? Silver bullet hour. Uh-oh, this might be it. Yeah. We tried. You know, we tried. Yeah, I know. But hey, if I get out of this, we just search for the next opportunity and wait, sit on our hands, wait for the next one. You know, it's definitely in the cards. Nothing we can do about it, right? There you go. All right. So we're going lower. The first gap actually did not push price to the upside. So no problem with that. What kind of targets do we have? I'm not jumping into anything until we don't see anything clear. Till I don't see anything super clear. Swap the lows. We are in a 15-minute gap. Also creating a 1 hour fair value gap here, but this is not an order block. So I'm going to put the line to the low of this. Okay, so that is 1 hour fair value gap down there. Look at that. What's happening? Back to the first gap right here. Possibly a second chance, maybe. Tempted, but maybe I'll try 1 micro. Enter it with 1 micro again, and if it fails, I'm definitely gonna wait for the next possible move. I was aiming for this inversion. So jumped in again based on the inversion gap and based on the analysis that I think we should be approaching the 700s. So my final TP would be at the top. If. But I don't like it. Only with 1 micro, guys, so break even is good. Lost 360 on the first trade, made back 490. Let's go. Oh, you got your 50. I don't. I'm actually down 85 bucks. I'm down 85 on this account. Made some profit in London, but I'm not touching that. Yeah, but you know, $85 down, and I'm risking another 95, almost 100 with commission. So if this one fails, I am sitting and waiting, most likely. My feeling tells me it should be continuing with the move higher, but aiming for the possible long-term target here. I don't like this. This is typically the price action to chop ourselves up. So yeah. Yeah. Kind of looks like a resistance. Yeah, yeah, that's a very good idea. I am I'm somewhere around that number too, 500 or 600 ish as a mental stop. I was so much into those longs to continue to the 700s. I was so much onto those longs. 3.5 micros. Yeah, that's good. That's excellent actually. Do we have some other news left um for the session? Building permits, housing, okay. I was okay, so we're basically done with the news. Modifying my TP to 75, 74, 75 actually. If this would be another rally to those 700s, but I'm not sure. Falling wedge. Yeah, maybe. We also have a gap here. I don't know how that's gonna hold. If we trade into the gap, I could get out from this trade with a profit. What do you guys think? Should I exit the full position and I get back my losses and end up in a small profit, like 50 bucks or something per account? This one is copy traded. Or what should I do? Or leave it for the big run? Not even sure if we get up there, to be honest. So fly high. Yeah, I like to think that it goes. So if you look here, there is a January 7 New York uh, open up there, and I was really into the idea. And that's also a beautiful order block at 791. So I thought that that could be the final settlement for price. Maybe it's gonna happen in the PM session, of course, but that would have been awesome to take that, take the profit at the break even, then start new from there. Because you can always re-enter on the move up. That's true. That is true. Look at the previous hourly candle. Yeah, not being repriced. No, sorry, that's a wick. So rejection, that's what you're saying, right? Wick. Are we looking for a wick fill, or are we looking for consequent encroachment? Yeah, the gap is right there at consequent encroachment. Or mid-level. We could get rejected. Yeah, that's what I'm afraid of. Maybe I should reduce the risk. Like this. I reduce the risk because if it starts to go below 515, then obviously it wants to make a new low. So I reduce the risk. That's what I could do. Yeah. And this is not really doing what I wanted it to do. Yo, up 130, nice. Break upside before today market close. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Man, this is gonna take me out with a tick, and then it's gonna go up. But if not, I would like to see a nice sell-off. All right. Almost out. Damn it. I'm moving back my stop a little bit lower, below 500, because it might gonna reprice that inversion gap again. The risk is still below $100, around 80 or 90 on this trade. In a sell model. On which time frame? Yeah, it could be 7 a.m. low. Oh Jesus, you might be right. Jeez, look at that. We have the 7 a.m. low at 3:06. Oh my God, you could be right. Huh. Why didn't I see that? Because this level, the algorithm knows this level down there, the kill zone, and it's just at midnight. So the rally happened. It might not want to deliver to the upside now. I'm moving my take profit to 608.75 to make back the losses. As real folks said, take the profit, make the profit, take the profit. If I can make it up there, I'm gonna take it and cover my losses. If I can make it up there. If not, then looking for maybe a shift. It could be a sell model. It seems like it. Everything is presented for a market maker sell model. The 15-minute does look like it wants to take the elevator down. Jeez. Um, 87, 87. Difficult to decide. I'm gonna move my stop back for now, I think. I'm not really convinced about this situation here. Too much range. They're ranging too much here. Yeah, it's just getting weaker, and we have the 1 hour gap at 87. Question remains, are we... I don't know what we're gonna do. Oh, it's just weak. Yeah, it's acting, but also feels heavy at the same time. Supposedly we should be getting out of this range sooner or later. Maybe in the PM session. But this one can continue until 11 a.m. My original analysis is bullish. Especially after a strong move like this happened, this strong pump. I don't know. But yeah, it's just not strong enough. Just sideways action. Hey Simeon, what's up? Yeah, typical Friday. What happened with Apex? I don't know what happened. I don't know anything. I'm a bully. I'm bully dubstep. What's up with Apex? Would you rather swing trade with less screen time? No, I like being here. I like the adrenaline. But yeah, I like day trading. I like figuring this stuff out. I really enjoy it. Even if, you know, if I lose trades, I still like to figure this out. I enjoy day trading, actually. So, obviously swing trading is cool too. Obviously that can be enjoyable. But with swing trading, the problem for me is time, because we have, you know, you put on a trade or two trades for a week, and if your analysis is not correct, you just throw out the week on the window. While in day trading, you can, if you have the skill, you have the ability to correct your trades and, you know, make it back. But with swing trading, it's a slow process. It's a very slow process, obviously. Can you decrease the latency? It's almost 5 seconds. I don't think I can decrease it more because I'm on the lowest latency right now. Let me check it. Stream settings, stream latency, ultra low latency. I'm on the lowest latency right now. If I put it like normal, you're gonna be behind like 30 seconds at least. If I put it on normal, I'm already at ultra low. Oh, I don't like this. This one is like, yeah, I wish I could do anything about. I mean, most of the streamers are at least like 3 or 4 seconds ahead, I think. Like 1, 2, 3, and so it's hard to. My internet is, by the way, is good. I have a good internet. The computer is now in shape. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Mm-mm. Can't win them all. I might close it manually here. Closed it manually. What can we do, right? Maybe it just wants to fall. Not sure though. Yeah. I closed it manually at break even, just saying. So out at break even, it just felt heavy. So I don't know who said it. It could be a sell model today. I think that's correct. We could be entering into a sell model. This is just not going for it. The long could be still valid. My stop was here, by the way, so it's a good thing I closed it, but if you were to look, the firm previously rejected the candle, the 4 hour. Let me check. Yes. Nice rejection. True, true. This is the 4 hour. Rejection. True, true. And now we're going down into the 1 hour fair value gap, most likely. That's what I think. Or we should be. And that's where we went. Oh, didn't break it yet. Did not break it yet. If you guys want to scalp it, might be a chance to jump in for a few points, like 20 points. The 487 should be taken, in my opinion. Oh wow, look at that. Back to the gap. I'm not in a trade, I am flat. I am flat. Hey Michael, what's up? Smiley, what's up? In your previous video you said that you earned around or hurricane profits less. How much did you spend on challenges? What was net profit in total? Yeah, I spent around with activation fees. With activation fees, I've spent around. I don't have. I'm gonna do. I promise you guys. I keep it as a promise, and we're gonna do a giveaway, by the way, in this stream. Just a second. I'm gonna do a video about the exact numbers. But last year, I've spent around almost like $18,000, $17,000, 18, nearly 20,000, around $18,000 on activation fees, instant funded accounts, evaluation accounts altogether. So it's closer to 20,000, I think. Mostly with MyFundedFutures, Apex, Bulenox, and I bought fast track trading accounts, and I bought some static accounts too. I have everything. So yeah. Overall ended up in net profit, but obviously not enough to make a living from it, right? But yeah. Nearly 20,000, I can tell you that. But there's gonna be a video about it. I promised that. I promised for this week, so I tried to make it over the weekend to summarize it with more accurate numbers. Now look at that. We're gonna go for 87 now. Watch it. Watch the 87. I'm curious. Enter the 2-point scalp, 2 micro scalp, sorry. Yeah, nice. I made it. I made $50. Yeah. 2 micro scalp, but nothing serious. Well, it's a slow process, Smiley. It's very slow. I'm still, obviously, you cannot make a living from that. But hey, this year, the goal is to turn it around big time. Like, one of the goals is obviously to keep the accounts as long as I can. It would be great to have at least more than 2 or 3 payouts. Obviously to keep it forever, but have at least 2 or 3 payouts from every funded account, because that would be, I'm trying to think of it as a business. I have my note here, my notes, and and here in my notes, sometimes I calculate it as a business, because it's a business, trading with prop firms. So how much, if I spend on a funded account this and this amount of money, how long should I keep it trading, and how much are the possibility to get at least 1,000, I mean at least 2 or 3 payouts per $1,000. So I try to project my plan for the year. And as I calculated, I have a very realistic chance that for the summer I should be having at least 1 or 2 months where I can average $10,000 or more only per month, for a month, only from trading payouts from multiple accounts. That requires, one of the major requirements is to build up a little bit of a buffer. I realized in my trading journal that one of my biggest flaws is that I don't really have enough buffer. I should be aiming for a little bit more. I'm not saying for 10,000 or something, but maybe build up a little bit more. and that would be very, very, very helpful to do that. So yeah. So that would be one of the plans. Look at that. We poked into the 1 hour gap. And now we're back to the first fair value gap again. Let's go. Blowing less accounts will save. Yeah, definitely. Anyway, yeah, sure. Absolutely. I already have a few ideas written down here about risk management, planning the year with funded accounts. And we talked about this in the London session as well, like how should we trade with multiple prop firms with multiple funded accounts? I want to cover the topic that should we copy trade all them together, or separate them to small groups like 2 or 3 accounts. You definitely don't need more than, in my opinion, you don't need more than 10 or 12 accounts at the maximum. That's the max. Basically, you're perfectly fine with 1 or 2 funded accounts, by the way. That would be the ultimate goal, 1 or 2 funded accounts. But the maximum is like 10 or 12. You don't need more. That would be the max. Greg, hey there. What's up, Greg? Yeah. My recommendation is to shoot for 500, 1,000 per day. I mean, combined with all the accounts, right, Ludofisk? That would be, yeah, actually a good thing. Do I have any orders? I don't. Yeah, that would be a good target, actually. I know it sounds weird, by the way, but I'm still looking for longs. I'm still looking for a long position. I'm still looking for a long position here. Actually, I might try a long here. I'm almost late on this one. The reason why I'm long, the small gap and the market structure shift here. I'm gonna look for the highs. If it gets down here again, I might add one more micro to the mix. I'll see it. And my take profit would be way up. It's not my final TP, but I'm looking for that level. I'm still bullish. I don't know why. I am super bullish. Final target, what I see here is 791, but 700. Let's go with the low hanging fruit above 700 somewhere above 700, but would be nice to leave a runner until 775. I don't know. Something like that. Alright, a lot of risk for lower. Yeah, that's true, Deka. Good to see you, by the way. How you doing? 5 accounts and try to reach a profit of daily 100. That's actually a very good plan, Tudor. That's a very, very, very good plan. It could reverse the 5-minute order block. Let's check the 5. This is not a good order block here. I'm not considering this as a good order block. It could repel price to a little bit lower, but this here now on the 5. Look at that. Now this is something I love. 596. Oh, perfect. Now I'm definitely aiming for 680 minimum. This here is that I'm looking. Haha. That is awesome. Right there. That candle. The high of the candle is at sorry. Where's the high? Somewhere up at 680. Starts at 596. I love it. I just love it. It looks beautiful. This one looks beautiful here to be broken. It meant to be broken, you know, this one. I'm super confident now. No financial advice here. I'm gonna hold it until the world ends. At top, yeah, yeah, but yeah, I know now what you mean. I want it to break. Actually, I want it to break. But if it goes down, you know, we're not gonna cry too much, just a little bit, and we're just gonna move on with our lives. We're just gonna move on with our lives. Bully. I'm not a bully. I'm not a bully. But that's the plan. Look at that. Let's push it. I have to check out something in the kitchen. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. I forbid you guys to go anywhere. We have to. Oh, by the way, the giveaway. Sorry, guys. Let me set up the giveaway. All right. $50 cash. We're gonna pick the winner in about 10 or 15 minutes in the silver bullet hour. We're still in it, right? Yeah. Giveaway completed. Edit. I promised you guys a giveaway. So $50 cash giveaway is starting right now. Exclamation mark cash. Okay, it started, I think. Not sure. Okay, it started. Molo, what's up? 500 times 6. Let's go. Exclamation mark cash. Everybody receives one ticket. We're gonna pick the winner, I don't know, in 15 or 20 minutes, something like that. I have to check out something in the kitchen. I'll be right back. All right, here we are. I got some very delicious. What's it called? Come on, people. We have 21 participants in the giveaway. Snack sausage, basically. Snack sausage. You know, this type of snack sausage. It's famous Hungarian food. With paprika, you know, it's very good. Very delicious. Very good. It's not goulash, but it's very close. Delicious. Actually. So why is it not going? It should be going up now. Sure. Here you go, Satoshi. Here you go. It's very delicious. That's very good. Yeah, it should be. My plan is, if we break this, and this is definitely a nice order block, then we're going up. So 27 participants so far. Exclamation mark cash. Enter the giveaway. $50 cash. I don't know. It's snack sausage. You know, snack. Yes. With the paprika. Very good. Snack sausage. I don't know. It's called. It's hot, actually. Piquant. Pig stick snack spicy sausage. Dry cured fermented pork sausage with paprika in edible. What? Edible aginate casing. Okay, that's not. Okay. Dry cured fermented pork sausage. Very good. Oh, let's go back to the trade. Doesn't look good now. It seems very weak again. I don't know. Why is this? Where is the bullish momentum? I was waiting for this bullish momentum. Maybe the PM session? I don't know. Yeah, food afternoon, Cedric. Yeah. I don't know how it looks like. On the big picture, I still see the 700s. But so far, we're just sitting here. Maybe. Consistent trader. It can also do like... hold a second. We can also be like... go back all the way down. The problem is we have this swing low now. here. And I have a feeling that if we close below 480 on a 5-minute chart, maybe even a 1 minute, but then we might gonna see these lower prices because there's so many resistance, I mean so much resistance up there. Just can't break through. Just can't. If it could break this 1 minute fair value gap up here, then there's no stopping to the 700s, but I don't know. You know, if you look at the 5 minute, zoom it out. Let's just zoom out the 5 minute. We're basically just ranging. So, sorry. So basically we are in a range here. Nothing is really happening based on the 5 minute. Nothing. Took out a bit of a liquidity here, then trying to move up, but we're stuck here. That's why I'm thinking maybe we will see the better move in the PM session or maybe in the lunch hour. It looks like the AM session is cooked. pretty much cooked. Did you take that long before New York Open? I took a long. Yeah, oh yeah, not before the New York Open, but this was a crazy pump. So I remain bullish for now. If it goes, then the target should be up there at 770. But it really needs to step it up because we're running out of time. On ES, if IB holds, we go lower. That could happen. Yeah. Enter the giveaway, everybody. Exclamation mark cash. We're gonna pick the winner in a few minutes, okay? In a few minutes. Exclamation mark cash. $50 cash giveaway. If you haven't entered already, make sure to enter. Here's the man of the hour. Methodical man, what's going on? What's going on? He needs money too. What's happening over there? What's happening? What is happening, man? So today, here's how I'm doing with the remaining funded accounts. This account is above 3,000, so $53,061 at Apex. This one is at made $100, 102, 2,322. This one also, I mean, this is I think it's 45. Yeah, it will be able to take a payout. This one is also made another $108 at 740. The MyFundedFutures accounts, this one is up for 52,000. Actually, I can get a payout from this if I want to, but I want to make some more. And the other MyFundedFutures account, which we took a payout on Monday, I think it was Monday or Tuesday maybe, I don't know. This is up to 2,044 again. Today made 274. So getting closer. This is the third day, so 2 more winning days above $100, and I'm gonna request another 1,200 on this MyFundedFutures account. The new Bulenox accounts have not been activated yet, but I requested them. Watching the chop, me too. All right. What do you guys think? Until we're watching the chop, we should pick the winner, right? We should pick the winner. From your YouTube proceeding. Well, whatever. Well, from affiliate commissions I received, you know, that's it. I can tell you that I make about $200 a month from my YouTube. So YouTube is not enough. I always told you guys, mostly I make my living from affiliate commissions. So yeah, we are above the IB and good long now. But of course the goal is to to shift this with payouts from trading. I don't know what's it gonna be. Anyway, let's pick the winner until this one is pushing higher. Okay, why not? So I'm gonna close the giveaway now. We have 35 people, so I'm closing it in 3, 2. Full-time profession? I have multiple professions. I'm gonna tell you about it later. All right, everybody got the ticket? Herschel, welcome. Stevie, let's go. All right, 36 people, 37 now. I'm counting down again. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. If I close this down, I'm gonna cover the chat and we're gonna pick the winner. 3, 2, 1. Closing it down. Covering. Herschel, you got the ticket. All right. Covering the chat. I don't see anything now. So let's pick the winner. Oh yes. Here it comes. I mean, no, that's a different video. So the winner of the $50 cash giveaway is the best trader in the whole community. The one who always supporting the stream, who's always here, is no other than the one and the only. 3, 2, and 1. Dan Mawesh, congratulations on the win. Dan, congratulations on the $50 cash giveaway. Make yourself known. And I'm gonna type in my email so you can send me your PayPal. Dan, congratulations. If Dan is not going to respond, obviously we're going to re-roll. So now everybody's paying for Dan not to be here, right? Okay. Dan is still not responding. We're gonna wait 5 minutes for Dan to respond. Dan, if you're here, just say something. That's the rule. That's the rule. If he's not responding, we're gonna pick another winner. That's the rule. All right. How we're doing right now on the trade? We're still just going sideways. So we're waiting. Dan, if you're here, I don't know where you are. Dan Mawesh. There you go. All right, Dan. Everybody. All right, all right. Dan, here's my email. I hope you have PayPal. I wish you have. If not you, maybe one of your friends or someone, but please send me an email here with your PayPal, and I just typed in the email. Send me a message and I take care of it ASAP. He just switched the account, yeah. We've seen stuff like this before. He switched the account, yeah. No, just trolling. Why is it not showing? Dan Mawesh. This one is not showing. Dan Mawesh 28. Is this a different Dan Mawesh? Dan Mawesh 2805. Interesting. I hope you're not someone else. Because if you are typing in the chat, it should be showing here, you know. I'm gonna look for the name there. Dan Mowesh. I don't know. Or someone just created an account with Dan Mowesh. Is it? Oh, there you go. Oh, sure. All right. Perfect. 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 All right. Here we go. Here we go. Oh, we have a different Dan Mowesh. Look at that. We have two Dan Moweshes. We had two. Jesus. Oh my God. We had two Dan Moweshes. Yeah. So that's why it was a little bit suspicious. Capital letter, yeah. All right. Thank you, Dan. Gotta make sure it's you. I'm gonna recheck with your email once you sent it, that it comes from you. There are two, yeah, two Dans. Enter the giveaway with 10 accounts. Oh man. What can I do? I have a system, by the way. There's a website called Viral Sweep, which can actually you know, filter out because it has an IP filter as well. Even with VPN, it can filter it out. It filters out the VPN IPs too, and you know, we could filter out multiple accounts if that would happen. Maybe I'm gonna use it next time. It's just a monthly subscription, and you know, I just did not want to pay for it to use it for nothing, most likely in the past couple of months. Yeah, two Dans. Interesting. Two Dan Mowishes. All right. It happened before. We're going with it. No problem. We're going with it. Next time we're going to do something else. If I use both my YouTube, I can have double the chance. Well, obviously, I don't see who has multiple YouTube accounts, so I cannot do anything. Hey, I don't know what to do about this next time, or maybe I'm gonna look into that viral sweep giveaway thing. As I said, it filters out a lot of things. So yeah, if we go into the 610, maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna maybe I am going to move the break even. Methodical man should get the money. He entered giveaway 10 accounts. If he didn't win, you should give him 54 buckets subscription with 10 accounts. Oh, no. Taking back the profits, no problem. No problem. Yeah, we're gonna try to filter it out for next time. I'm gonna use the viral sweep thing. And yeah. Okay. We're still pushing higher. We just passed 11 and still going up. Still going up. Don't need to spend money on that. Yeah. Okay, I got the email. Nice, nice, nice. All right. Dan, can you please confirm that the PayPal account that you sent me, the first 3 letters are NJO. NJO. Just to know if it's you. Yeah. I mean, you sent me the mail, the paper. I mean, I know you wrote down that if it's NJO, the first 3 letters on that PayPal address, then I'll be right on it. Oh, yes, it is. Nice. Okay. All right, then. All right, then. On it. On it. Give me a minute. On it. All right. Nice. Okay. It's done. It's done. I think. Yeah, it's done. Okay. Then it has been sent. Who sponsored? It was me. I was sponsoring the giveaway. All right. It has been sent, Dan. Congrats. I promised you guys we have a giveaway on this week. Again, we had already one on Monday or Tuesday. I don't know. Reza also sponsored the giveaway. At least one. He's always sponsors. He's a nice guy. And more giveaways are coming up, so stay tuned, all right? I promise you guys that. So make sure to subscribe, follow the stream, be here. I'll try to do the giveaways in the New York session from now on because I want to get more viewers. Anyway, we're still sitting in this one, so As I said, if we go into the fair value gap, I'm gonna move this to break even. At least it's gonna be a free trade. Bulenox now is best prop firm in futures industry so far. Well, they are definitely good. And you know why, Akram? Because they fly under the radar. Big trade there, buddy. Kind of like the one earlier. Yeah, I changed a little bit. I mean, did not change. I just adjusted the way my risk management. So the model and the levels and the trade analysis that I use is basically the same. Everything stayed the same. Yeah, Take Profit Trader, by the way, absolutely. My two favorites are Take Profit Trader, MyFundedFutures. Those are my absolute two favorites, but the other ones are good too. Tick Trader, I want to go with Tick Trader because you know I like the instant funded account deal, and obviously Bulenox and Apex are the cheap upfront cost prop firms. The only thing that bothers me with Bulenox is that they don't have a path to live accounts. So I don't know how they're managing their risk with the good traders, but there's no, I mean, I went over the contract there. Somewhere they're mentioning that there's a possibility to put traders to a live account, but I haven't heard anyone ever who went to a live account with Bulenox. So I hope that they can manage risk well. But again, what I was saying is that I trade the same way. The only thing is I adjusted my risk management a little bit, which means I'm trading way less small size, but I'm able to hold the trade to those levels that I think we should be reaching for. So basically that's what I'm doing. Change the risk management a little bit. So it's much more, I mean, much less stressful right now. No problem, Dan. Dan, it's okay. Methodical man is, he thinks he's too good, so forget about him. There are good traders. Of course there are good traders. There has to be good traders. Everybody must be put to a live account. That's the goal. That's the goal. You're a good trader. I still don't know where my girlfriend is hiding your picture. Just saying. So, not too happy about it. She put it away somewhere. I don't know where. So. One day pass and the rules are set. Yeah. They don't care if you are. Oh, yes. Yes, methodical man. Yes. So actually, it's a good thing I just reminded myself. I have to ask her, like, listen, you remember that guy, you know, the best trader sign? She told me, don't worry, I'm going to put this picture away. Still haven't found it. I don't know. Maybe she keeps it under her pillow, or I don't know. You're not the best trader in your screen. He just hid his money. I like to trade. I mean, I like to trade hindsight. I kind of watched this from Patrick Wieland, so I'm learning from the best. But they don't give a 100% right. 100%. We're still not at that fair value gap yet. At the 610. We're still not there yet. And I'm not really sure about the Project X thing. You never watched the course? Oh yeah, you said you won the course. Nice. Nice. Anyway, this week was still, I'm saying bittersweet because you know, those accounts are lost. I got them back. Well, they are still not being activated, but I got the 3 Bulenox accounts back, and I'm aiming to get more, but because it's cheap. But the bigger goal is with Take Profit Trader for me and MyFundedFutures. Honestly, I must say that I have plans for long term with MyFundedFutures. It was always seemingly very professional, and I did like the way they handled business. Although I was obviously getting the majority of my payouts from Apex and Bulenox and Topstep, so I was absolutely behind with MyFundedFutures. But you know, Take Profit Trader is also good now that they disabled the daily loss limit. Anyway, I'm a little bit pissed off that I don't have a custom code with Tradeify. I'm a little bit pissed off. Like, I even saw the other day, I'm not gonna name the person, a nice guy, brand new streamer, he got a custom code from Tradeify, and I don't. And he just started streaming a few weeks ago, and I was asking for a custom code for 2 months now, and he got a custom code. So I don't know how this works. I'm a little bit pissed off. No, I'm just joking. How did I learn English? I was watching cartoons. You know, when I was a kid in the 90s, everybody was buying the satellite dishes. You know, it was a brand new thing. You know, buy a satellite dish, you can watch, you know, Norwegian television channels, most likely German, and some English channels like Sky One. We were watching Sky One, and I was watching Cartoon Network, and I was watching Star Trek on Sky One when I was a kid. I was watching music television and all that stuff. So I kind of picked up what I could, and I guess I was a little bit lucky with that. I was good in English in school, but my vocabulary is, I mean, the words that I memorize, so the amount of words is still very low. So I have to learn a lot of new expressions and words. Yeah, this is English speaking here. Yes, this is English. I'll try my best. I try. I really do. I really do. But sometimes it's almost Russian. Almost. This is money language. So this trade, I don't know. I should be, if it gets above 610, You know what? I think I'm gonna put it to break even now. Actually here. So I just moved my stop loss. And we'll see what happens. If it goes down, then obviously it wasn't the trade I was looking for. If it trades below that 38, then it should be going down. And you know, let's look at the 5-minute. What's happening? It's just so weak. I thought that we're gonna break higher, way above the 700. It might happen in the PM session, by the way. And you know what? You guys want to have fun? Let's have some fun. I'm gonna move the TP to 750. How about that? We want to play big? Let's play big. 749. Who cares? It's house money. You know, I'm gonna trail it. If it goes, I'm gonna trail it. That's the plan. $6.11 for sure be hit. Yeah, I'd like to see that. I emailed Brett. I DM'd him on Discord. I tried everything. I also sent an email to support, and support said to me that they are not giving out custom codes. But again, I'm not saying who it is. He also streamed. He just started to stream. He has a very few subscribers, and he has a custom code. In the past 2 or 3 weeks, he got the custom code, and I'm asking for the custom code since October. So how does that work? I don't know. I have no idea. Anyway. I tried Discord. Multiple times on Discord. I even messaged the mods. I messaged everybody. The only message I got back from is that we're not giving out custom codes at the moment. But they do. I just didn't want to get into an argument, but they do. They do. So, or I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. They're not giving custom codes now. That's what they say, but they clearly do. Check the link. This one? Okay. I saw this, by the way. I saw this because I was looking into your Discord and I said, what? I'm not gonna wash anyone's back, you know. I'm not gonna do it. By the skin of your teeth. That first fair value gap before the dump is very sus. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. But, you know, I'm not going to say personalized guarantee, but we're going up. Oops. We're going up there. Depending on how the volume is going to act up after the lunch hour. A stop and profit up to 56.57. 56.57. Actually, that's a good idea. I'm gonna go with 55 here. 55. Because I think we can go down there and, you know, if it gets down to 52 again, this one can just easily, you know, go for a sell-off. It's not a strong movement so far, so I'm not really amazed of this bullish run. It's not even a run, it's just trying. Yeah, NQ, methodical man, NQ cannot surprise me anymore. I mean, the things I saw since, I mean, I'm not even experienced And still, the things I saw since 2023 on NQ, it can do anything, anytime. You know, no more surprises. ES just hit. Oh. Uh-oh. ES is gonna take this. Oh, well, let me check something on ES. Oh, it's important. No, no, no. Okay. Yes. Here we are. ES. Thank you. This is open up this candle. 129.25. As long as the 6,129 is in play on the 1 hour, that's where we're going. That is the level that we're going to. 61.29 ES. It's gonna pull NQ. Not today, obviously. I'm not saying that today, but next week, oh, good chance. Good chance that we're gonna go there. This is the 1 hour. SMT, maybe. This is exactly the kind of formations that I like to being broken. Bullish candle pushing it to liquidity, and then a huge shift to the downside. And I think this was some kind of a news here anyway, or I don't know what the hell, but bullish candle picking up orders and then shifting straight down. We could say maybe this is an order block, or we can call it, as I said, supply area. Very strong. The 1 hour is super strong on these ones, I think. So this candle, this bullish candle, super strong supply area. It has to be, this one has to be, you know, revisited, I think, in my opinion. Not today, but next week. Very good target for next week. You know. LP zone, yes, exactly. LP zone. Yeah, we're gonna call it LP zone for Ushman. We're gonna call it LP zone. That's actually a good idea, Satoshi. We're gonna call it LP zone. As long as the LP zone is there, that's where we're going. Crypto Panda, good morning. It's not even that late. Sometimes I do stream until like maybe lunch hour. I mean, around Christmas I was streaming in lunch hour as well. There's gonna be no market open, right? So only futures are gonna be open. Futures are gonna be open, but I'm not gonna be here in the London session. So I'm not gonna be here in London because I'm taking my mother to hospital again. So no London stream. No London stream, but I'll be here in the AM session New York. I'll be here in the AM session New York. Yeah. Yeah, let's see the reaction. Of course. Hey, let's do this. Guys, we're gonna do a joint stream with Methodical Man. That would be awesome. Yeah, family first, always, always. She has to go back for treatment again on Monday, and she might have to stay there, so I'm not gonna be here in London, but I should be able to get back for the New York AM session because that's in the afternoon for me. She's okay, but she's still recovering, has to take different treatments, but so far so good. She has good and bad days, but she's doing okay. That's why she has to go back. Yeah, it will be a fun day. Eval's only, oh, you know what, Methodical Man, I'm gonna load up a few evals from Bully, from some cheap ones, and we can fool around. You know, I can fade you and make some profits. How awesome would that be? Actually, I'm gonna full port all my funded when you take a trade, and then just fading, you know. Exactly. That's what it's gonna be. One of us will win. So the winners are gonna be the viewers of the stream. So they're gonna win because one of us should be winning. Oh, Satoshi, that's also good. So we go to like a extreme scalping session, set up a timer, and who makes the more profit on a evaluation account. That would be fun. Actually, I'm down to it. I'm down to it. That would be an excellent idea. So we put out the I put out the balance of a Bulenox evaluation, and you know, until the market closing, we're gonna be pushing it or something. We're gonna arrange the details, and you can full port it. Even if you pass it with $3,000, if it's a 50K, it doesn't matter. If one of us makes 5,000 or 6,000 or 10,000, that's the winner. You know, just saying, no rules. You know, no rules. It's a wild, wild west. You know, that's it. No rules. Who makes the more profit on the same single? I mean, on the same evaluation accounts. Wild, wild west. And I can get and you know, we have to set we have to put the stakes there. So what would be the stake of it? So what would be the what is the winner is gonna get? I top step in for 30 minutes to trade one micro and can only reverse positions, but have to be in a position the whole 30 minutes. That's also interesting. I mean, we can do that. I actually like the idea. I like the idea. We can create a poll. Yeah. Yeah. I'm gonna move my stop here. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna move my stop higher right there. I'm gonna trail this. I don't know for how long I will make it. On the stream we decide. Yes. I love the idea. I love it. Something funny or embarrassing, yeah. Okay, so we're thinking about the what the winner has to do. Or the loser, or whatever. I'll message you on Sunday. Alright. You're sleepy today? Okay, alright. Definitely. Take a good rest. I haven't even checked. Are you streaming, or what you up to right now? Do you have a stream on? Man, I have so many tabs opened up. My computer is slowing down. You're not streaming. Okay. Alright, methodical man. Have a good one. Rest up. You're done. Okay. Alright. Alright. You were green? 3 fundeds? Nice. Huge applause for Methodical Man. Oh yeah, you have the 20 Apex accounts. Jeez. Nice one. Yeah, it's Friday, and I think you made some good profits on the week. The other day I saw you were up or something. I just got to the end of the stream, and you said you made some like 100 and something dollars on all the Apex accounts, so that's a good job. Was you was he is still green. He's green. He is green. Guys, I have to go down to the garage. I have to my girlfriend went shopping, and the car is packed up with everything, and she asked for me to help her pick up all those stuff from the car. So I have to leave you guys for a few minutes. I'll keep the stream open for a little bit, but I have to go down and pick up some stuff from the garage. 343, no trades on them yesterday. Oh, I see. 5 cents brew profit on the week on the 20. That's awesome. That is awesome. Don't look in the spare tire. The spare tire area. All right. All right. I would be surprised, right? Guys, I have to go down to the garage. I'll be back in a few minutes. Myth, if you'll be gone by then, I wish you a great rest of the day. I'll be back in like 3 to 5 minutes. All right? I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. It seems like I do not need to go down to the garage because she already took the stuff from the car. But I got to have some more snacks. Yeah, from some sausage again. So this trade is almost out. The 5 minute is actually turning it back down. Let's see. I wonder how long is this gonna go. All right. Still waiting. Still waiting on this one. You're out. Almost 1K in profit. Wow. That is very good. Nice. You decided. Awesome, tutor. I know a good discount code. Alright. But nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be pushing super hard next week on Take Profit Trader. Actually, I don't want to jinx it, but I think I'm gonna have the funded account. Don't ask me how, but it's gonna happen. 1K is absolutely great. Yeah, congratulations. Yeah, good job. Good job. Actually, you know what? Here's the applause. Oh, the backtest session. Maybe we can do a backtest session on Monday. You know, why not? At the same hour like this. Markets are gonna close. I'm gonna close the positions as well, and we can do some backtesting. And I can explain some more how I'm definitely not a teacher or anything, but I can explain what I'm looking for in the trades, what I'm aiming for. Yeah. Notification. Yeah, that's true. That's true. $130. $130, Akram. Yes, so now no drawdown. Reza, what's up? Doing great, doing great. In the green for the day, and left with this one trade. So yeah. How you doing, Reza? How's the day for you? The gentleman, Reza. The Fit Green Day. Glenn Blaine just subscribed. Glenn, thank you for subscribing to the channel. Reza, congratulations. And listen, all these giveaways, you were a gentleman always. Don't feel like it's necessary or anything, you know. It's a really nice gesture for the community. You're awesome. You don't have to prove anything. I mean, it's really nice. Don't feel like it's a must. But hey, this was awesome already. You did so many giveaways, so many. So don't worry. Don't worry. Well, looks like price, well, might want to turn around here. The 5-minute looks choppy anyways. I think the bulls are out of the race now. It might take the elevator down. Absolutely, man. One hour, yeah. Nice, nice. Glenn, hey. Thank you for joining, Glenn. Good to see you. So in a trade you're currently holding now. Sure. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, Glenn. No problem. So, first of all, I have to start for you from the what is here, from the London session. And I have to stay on the 5-minute here. So one of the levels that I like is these so-called bearish order blocks or supply areas. Now this is partially like an ICT or smart money concept, but I definitely like these targets. So there was one here. There was one here. We talked about this in London session. So there, and actually there was one on the 15-minute, like I think this one here. So we had like multiple bearish order blocks. And as the London session went by, we and there was one here as well. We took a trade, and I said, and everybody said, like, we should be pushing higher just to take out these order blocks or supply areas. And so price moved here, strong push. And then what we did is we looked to the left, and if you switch to the 1-minute chart, I'm gonna do it for now. I'm gonna go to the left, January 7, 1-minute chart here. Now this here was a New York open, 9:30. Bullish push with a bullish candle, swept liquidity, and then this New York session sent the price to the depth, you know, absolutely full down. Now this here is also a supply area, especially this candle, January 7, 9:30. And so we had such a strong push, like it was a very, very strong push, and obviously it's a home run, so it's not a base hit trade, that I thought that, you know, this candle or this supply area should be repriced or taken out. Not repriced, but taken out. Most likely lots of orders are resting above this area. So going back here, present day, if I can get back. Jesus, I like trading you. I'm just resetting. Okay. We have the same, so it's up there. And so I thought that if the market, after the market open, price drops down, we swept 5-minute. I switched to the 5-minute, sorry, to the 15-minute now. We swept 15-minute and 5-minute liquidity levels on this fair value gap. The first fair value gap, which comes after the 9:30 open on the 1-minute, presented here. This is like a support area from now on. This is acting like possible support. It seemed like that it wants to drop and take out the 7 a.m. low down there at 306, but then it got back to it and inversed this gap once again. This was a chop here, so I went long, I got stopped out, then I tried again, and then I tried again. I exited at break even from the second trade, and as I saw this for the third time going up there, then I risked it once more, and so I entered the trade, and I'm kind of like aiming for the market to just go up there. It's Friday, you know, Fridays usually have these rallies, and just to try to push it. So we saw some many interesting stuff from NQ in the past years, and it should be just pushing higher. More than likely it's not gonna do it now. I'm still in this trade, I trailed it, but overall I'm green for the day, and that's the explanation. Low risk. This is a home run. I'm just trailing it. If it takes me out, it takes me out, and that's it. You know, nothing special. I know it might be a little sound overcomplicated. Sometimes even I don't follow myself, but this was the goal. This was the plan for the day. We just said yeah, Akram, yeah. But, oh, you're asking Reza. I mentioned price reverse that. Yeah, that's true. Michael said that. This 100% garbage. All goes in, bots biting one another. When you try to trade, you lose again and again. Yeah, it can go absolutely nuts. That's true. That's true. That's true. Hey, no problem, Glenn. You're absolutely welcome. Death by 100 cuts, 1,000 cuts. That's why I'm really just, you know, I went in with small position. First trade was small loss, then the break even, and then this one is going good for now. And I scalped at the open. I went into a scalp to take out the 502. There was a flat candle down there, so I scalped it somewhere here, down there. That was all. So I'm just holding it. That's the only thing I'm doing. The first 1 hour is definitely should be the most liquid. That's true. That's true. So I mean, I'm not having high hopes for this. This looks like a trend line liquidity here, or bullish flag. Could be pushing higher. I don't really care anymore about this trade. So today overall I made some good profits. This Apex account is above $3,000, 3,061. This one is at 2,322. This one is at 2,377. This one is at 2,740. And the MyFundedFutures accounts are looking good too. Almost ready to take a second payout from MyFundedFutures. So I am super happy. I made $273 on each of these accounts, 286. So I'm okay with it for now. my best week in profit or in payouts or in profit. Well, I don't know. I don't know, Akram. I know that there was a winning streak. Like I was making, depends on how many funded accounts I was trading at once. But like I was above $1,000 on every single day for a week or something. But my best month for payouts from trading was last year, October, as I said, almost $9,000 in one single month. That was my best month so far. So yeah. I feel like this. So we're in the macro. We'll see if the lunch hour is gonna do something. If it takes me out, then I'm just gonna leave it. If I'm still gonna be in the trade in the lunch hour, I'm gonna be curious about the movement. I have a feeling that it wants to sweep lower, you know, taking orders from down there. I mean, on the 5 minute, it looks pretty much sloppy. It should be dropping down to 541. Somewhere down there. Yeah. So I was expecting a strong momentum still in the AM session, especially after this move. I was like, okay, this should be continuing. By the way, I would not be surprised if the same momentum like here after 8 a.m. would continue in the PM session all the way up there. So right now it should be sweeping orders and then picking it up and pushing it higher to above the 750s. So come on. Let's get over with this one. Let's go NQ. Five 12. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, there's a gap down there. Absolutely, it can. All it needs, and by the way, it has already started. All it needs, it already started. Yeah, a structure shift, which started up here. Look at that. It's basically a sell model. The TP should be down at 70, the low-hanging fruit, and the final TP could be absolutely down at 512. So I am offside now. This one here is a sell model. After seeing this one wicking that level, that candle should have been a sign to go short, but I didn't. You know, taking a short after seeing this wicking this going down, yeah, pretty much repriced everything it could. Can you explain me CISD? What is that? What is CISD? Not CSI. CISD. I'm so bad with these acronyms. I don't know. Is that an ICT model or concept? That's what I've been studying recently. Market maker. Oh yeah, nice. That's actually the market maker sell model is a very good model. I mean, that's a very good concept. Sorry. Changing state of delivery. Oh, okay. Can you? Well, oh, I got out. There you go. Change in the state of delivery. Well, obviously you need a structure shift. So you need to pick a certain amount of liquidity. Like now, this gap, this is a 5-minute fair value gap, I think. No, that's a 1 minute. Sorry, excuse me. This is a 1 minute fair value gap. It has been completely repriced. The orders have been picked up. And we have a market structure shift here with that down close candle, and that is actually a change in market structure or change in the state of delivery because it finished up here. So I should have seen the signs already and maybe closed it earlier. And this is nothing yet. So you're watching on the retracement, and as you're watching the retracement, it's just an extra confirmation when you see a bullish push and creating this bearish order block. It's not a bearish order block, but almost on the 1 minute, pushing it to liquidity, picking it up from this small 1 minute gap, and then bearish candle, and it's not trading above the previous high on this bullish candle. So this bearish candle is not trading higher than this bullish wick, and this here, this point should be the entry to confirm that, okay, everything has changed, structure shifted, orders picked up, bearish move. So what you're doing at that point, because you don't see this, is go for the low-hanging fruit. Low-hanging fruit would be a bullish order block, this one, but that's a very shitty one, sorry for my language. So you can look for a liquidity void, maybe down there, or you can look for a bigger fair value gap, which Glenn was saying down, for example, at 512. It's up to you, basically. It's up on your risk management, but this is a change in the state of delivery, in my understanding. But I think ICT would laugh at me right now, but that's how I understand it. Yeah. Mo, what? Mo.
What did you do?
Mo. 15 minute. Change the 15 minute. Oh yeah, so the 15 minute needs to do the same thing like on the 1 minute. We need to have a down close candle. Mo, what happened, man? You're welcome. I mean, obviously ICT would laugh or maybe explain it on a different way. This is how I understand state of delivery, but on the 15 minute, as Glenn, yeah, so no 15 minute state of delivery yet. So on the 15 minute, we are still super bullish, so that's true. No way, Kirk. Come on. Yeah, it's me. Get the car, leave the engine on, wait me outside. Yeah, yeah. All right, I'll be there. No way, Kirk. You take no responsibility. No. No. Don't do this. Oh man. Needs to close below 1:15, 15-minute candle. Sorry, 11:15. Not exactly. So let me zoom this out. This is the 11:15. It's not a swing low. So as you can see, this is not a swing low. The next swing low that we have is down here, 21,481. If we're talking about change in the state of delivery on the 15-minute, in my understanding, this would be the level, 21,481. We need the down, or it can do like this. It can create a swing low, and boom, here can be the change in the state of delivery on the 15 minutes. So if it just drops down here without any structure, then the next level would be 481. This is not it yet, at least in my understanding. Mo, are you there? Dude. Have a good weekend, Satoshi. Thank you so much. I'm gonna play some video games. I'm gonna go and play some PUBG later. I suck at it, but who cares it? I love the game. I'm gonna play some PUBG later. Profit trade after 3 days. No. Oh, Akram. I wish. Yeah, I got a second coffee. I just said the last zip here. But I was in the gym today, so. By the way, going to the gym is actually good. I mean, yeah, obviously, but it helps me to focus. And coffee. All right, everybody. As much as I would like to stay, I think, the PM session, my final call is I think this is going to be in the PM session. I'm still bullish. I'm still bullish until the market close. We might not go up to 790, but I feel like there's more push in this one. I could be wrong, but I'm not going to take a trade on this. I'm green for the day and for the week. Well, depends on how we look at it, but it was a good day. So I'm gonna call it here, everybody. Thank you so much for being here. This was an awesome session. I went to the gym for 1st January 2 weeks. Look, 3 kilogram, now 100. Let's go, Reza. Let's go. Have a good weekend, everybody. Again, there will be no London stream on Monday, okay? I'll be in the New York session. So thanks, everybody. You guys are awesome. If you would like to support the channel, don't forget that Bulenox sale ending on Sunday. All right, Sunday it's ending. So pack up a few accounts, cheap evals if you want to go for it. Otherwise, if you would like to support, use the same code. Tom Sabo goes for all these prop firms except Tradeify, but still you can click on my link. And yeah, thank you so much, everybody. Have a good weekend, rest up, and yeah, exactly, Vincent. Exactly. So rest up, and God bless you all. Have a good weekend. All right. Cheers, everyone.